sheet metal parts are custom made and fabricators have to respond to design change orders on time. To stay efficient, they must adhere to design for manufacturing DFM guidelines to avoid design failures. Here are the 5 prominent DFM guidelines that true CAD team of CAD engineers use to help sheet metal fabricators stay efficient. Distance between 2 punched holes, and between holes and sheet edges, should be at least twice the sheet thickness. Fabricators need to ensure a minimum distance of 1.5 times the thickness of metal sheet between the bend and the hole to avoid hole deformation. Thirdly, they should keep distance of at least 4 times the thickness plus the dimple radius between 2 dimples and cutout edges. Use of bend reliefs can prevent the sheet metal from tearing either during the manufacturing process or after stress is put on the object. Finally, support features like beads, flanges, and collars can be used to support the object after manufacturing to balance shear stress caused by piercing operation. Know more about our sheet metal design drafting services today.